Hello everyone. Today's spotlight the integration of classified listing with radius booking and how listings can work as staff members seamlessly. Listing as staff is used when the listing represents a person or professional. Customers book that specific staff member such as a doctor, lawyer, consultant, trainer, or therapist. So let's get started. In the very beginning, we have to install the Radius Booking plugin, free and the pro version for this premium feature. So go to the plugins to add a new plugin. In the search key box, type Radius Booking, powered by Radius Theme, the all-in-one WordPress booking plugin. Click on Install Now. After installing, click on Activate. And here these are. For the Pro version, click on Upload plugin and then choose File. For this, after purchasing, locate the downloaded file and select it. Then click on Install Now. After that, activate this plugin. Here you see that. Now let's go to the Radius Booking plugin dashboard and then Settings. Here provide the general information about your business like your company name, phone number, and the business address. Just like the General Settings tab, you can also configure it from here in the same way. So there are two different ways to do it. In the next, Schedule Settings. From here, you can set and customize your date and time to set formats and intervals for scheduling. You can set the weekends according to your business type requirements. Then save your changes. Then navigate to the integration and go to the classified listing. From here, we need to enable classified listing integration first. Now select listing as staff from the listing mapping mode. Then click on Save Changes. Now move to the payment gateway. From the payment settings option, you can choose offline payment, PayPal, Stripe, or anyone what you like. Then save your changes. Now go to the payout. The another important setting option like commission rates, minimum payout amounts, and available payout methods for employees. Select your commission type, either percentage or fixed amount. Then set your minimum payout amount. And for choosing to payout method, you can choose either cash or bank transfer. Then click here to save all of your changes. Now let's go to the classified listing plugin dashboard. Then form builder. Let's add booking field on this listing form. For this, click here to edit it. You can customize and change your section title, for example, doctor booking. And then from the preset field, drag and drop radius booking. And again, let's click on here to edit it. From here, you can customize mapping mode and sync price. While done, then click on save form. Now let's visit the site. From here, you need to choose the listing type first, then category, enable booking for this listing, and then provide staff email for creating the staff member in Radius Booking. Then provide doctor details like doctor name as title, then doctor fee, the price you need, and the description about the service. And for the contact details, include it very carefully. And finally, submit it. In the My Listing, you can see your created listing. Let's go to the listing, click on your recently added listing, choose the Publish, save it. Now back to the My Account, let's click on it. Here, this is the single details page. Let's see how the booking process works. And for this, firstly provide your service, staff, select the date and your availability of time slot. In the next, customer details. Provide the customer information in details like full name, customer's phone number, email address, And you can write any notes if you want. And next is the checkout. Select payment method and click on continue. Your appointment is confirmed. You can see the summary of the doctor appointment and the customer information. Now let's view booking details from the dashboard. Go to the booking and then my calendar. Here you will be able to see your appointment, consultation details, which doctor the service is booked under, and the payment information. To view everything in more detail, click on view details. The complete appointment details including your service duration, customer information, and finally the payment details. Now from the doctor's dashboard, let's confirm the booking by completing the payment. Then scroll a little upward and click on Payment. Here you'll get an overview of the doctor's appointments, where the payment status is currently showing as pending. To approve it, the admin needs to confirm the payment from the admin dashboard in the next step. So head over to the Radius booking dashboard, go to Appointments and open the recently added ID. From here, the admin must click on Mark as Paid to complete the booking process. Now go back to the My Account page and open the doctor's dashboard again. Notice the difference. The payment status is now showing as paid. Next, head over to Payments in the Radius booking dashboard. From the customer's ID, you can not only view the order invoice but also download it if needed. Here, you will get a complete overview including the doctor you booked, the service form, customer information, and the total bill amount. Now let's move to Payout, then Commission. Here you can see the commission details. This section shows the total amount from all paid bookings, the commission amount, and the payment allocated to the employee. Now go back to the My Account page and open Manage Staff. From here, you can add new staff members or search for existing ones easily. Finally, let's move to Payouts. Doctors can request withdrawals directly from their dashboard. After submitting the payout request, since the doctor's payout is showing as pending, we now need to go to the payout section from the Radius booking dashboard to resolve it. Then All Payouts. Admin confirmation is required before releasing the payment. Now that the admin has confirmed the payment, the status is showing as approved. The same approval status will also appear in the doctor's dashboard under Payouts. Once the admin clicks on Mark as completed, the doctor's payout will finally be marked as completed. Here, you can see the difference. At the same time, the admin will also be able to track the commission status based on the set commission rate. Thank you for watching today's tutorial.